Hi, superstars. Today I'll be giving you an update on palm oil business in Nigeria and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. Okay, so many people are looking forward to palm oil storage business this year. And my superstars, there's been a lot has been happening. So many changes have transpired this year, from price of palm oil to price of jerrycans. Okay, a lot has changed this year. In this video, I'll be telling you what's happening, current price of palm oil, jerrycans, and latest trends, so you can come up to speed with what's happening and prepare your mind ahead of palm oil storage business. All right, my superstar, so let's get started. So, like I said, a lot has been happening in palm oil storage business this year. So many people have suddenly been aware of palm oil storage business, and I get that feelings for you too, okay? Because there's a sudden increase in number of people who have been looking forward to palm oil storage business. As at this time of the year, jerrycans used to sell for 3,000 naira. Okay, but right now, my superstars, because of the sudden increase in number of people who are interested in palm oil business, I can't find jerrycans. Okay, the yellow jerrycans are scarce, white are scarce, and should you see it, it is very expensive. Okay, as at today, the price of yellow jerrycans, according to one I saw, and it was not even plenty, it was about, I think, five or thereabout, was 5,500 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Okay, and some people were like 6,000 naira. It keeps increasing, so it is not available, and the little ones you have available are expensive. Okay, so I don't know, like I said, if these people have actually kept it, okay, so that when it's time they'll hike the price and then sell it at a high price, cause there's no jerry cans as at today. Okay, so that brings me to this. If you know where people can get jerry cans, okay, at a more affordable rate, please write it in the comment section, as this will be a lifesaver for someone out there. So many people are looking forward to more affordable jerry cans that will enable them get involved in palm oil storage business. Imagine buying a jerrycan at 5,500 naira or 6,000 naira. Okay, for a beginner, that is huge. That is much. So if you're buying 10 at 5,500, that is 55,500 naira for 10 jerrycans. Okay, and if you're buying like 20, okay, that's 111,000 naira just for jerrycans. That is quite huge for a beginner. Okay, so I'm pained. I am worried about so many people who want to start. And if you're buying at 6,000 naira, that is even more. Okay, 10 will go for 60,000, 20 will go for 120,000 naira. So that is quite much for just jerrycans for beginners. So please do us a favor. If you know where we can get more affordable jerrycans, all right, please write it in the comment section, so that people who want to start can get to see it and do something about it. All right, my superstar. Okay, so that is it for jerry cans. In the meantime, before we talk about palm oil, have you prepared your storage facilities? Have you done every other thing you need in preparation for palm oil storage business? Yes, you need to do other preparations, because when the price of palm oil drops, it's going to be sudden. Okay, it's going to be sudden and may drop for a day or two, so you need to be prepared, so that once it drops, you swing into action and buy your storage palm oil. I have mentioned that the price of palm oil fluctuates. Today it can drop, tomorrow it can increase, and even in the same day it can drop, and the same day it increases. It's not constant. So in case where you say, you told me the price was 45, why are you now telling me 48,000 naira? That is because it increases. In a day, the price of palm oil suddenly dropped from 50 something to 45,000 naira. It dropped in a day. You see the gap? Okay, it dropped. Okay, so it happens that way. That's the same way it can increase suddenly. All right, so the price of palm oil is not constant. I need to clarify that. So when you're buying palm oil, you won't like hold the seller and tell the seller, but you told me this. Why is it this? Why is it that? Okay, anything can happen in palm oil business. It is one very unsteady business, very unsteady. Okay, so you need to be able to take prompt actions. That's why I keep giving updates on this channel to notify you on the price. Okay, and when I see that we are close to that mark when the price will be enough for storage, I'll make sure that I try as much as possible to give you updates as at when due. So you need to keep looking out, okay, so you don't miss out. All right, so next we are going to be talking about palm oil. All right, so this year palm oil has also recorded a different trend altogether. As at this time of the year, palm oil used to reduce to about 20s, 30s, but as I speak with you right now, okay, as at last week it was in the 50s, but thank God it has started dropping. Okay, palm oil reduced to about 45,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, but as I speak right now, palm oil is 48,000 naira. Okay, but don't panic, don't worry, it will keep reducing. It will keep reducing. Okay, it will get to that point where people can afford to buy and store. So don't worry, I'll keep dropping updates on this channel on palm oil business, palm oil storage business. Okay, so you can know the price you'll be able to buy and store. Okay, my superstars, so don't miss any of our updates. Don't miss it, my superstars. This channel is strictly, these videos, these updates I drop is strictly to guide you on the price of palm oil. So you know when you can buy and store. So don't miss out. All right, look out for it. And let me know if you like this kind of content by hitting the like button. Please hit the like button so I'll know you love this kind of content, that you love the updates, and then I'll keep bringing updates like this. And don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. All right, my superstars, I'll keep doing my own part, so keep watching out. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.